identified. Expect arrival. Power approach runway 05. Descend to flight level 50. Transition level. Easy 123, descend to 2,500 feet. Quebec, November Hotel 1009, transition level flight level 40. Ready for approach checklist.
Approach checklist.
Approach checklist. Briefing.
Confirmed.
ECOM status.
Check.
Seat belts.
On.
Baro ref.
Set.
2984. Minimum.
Set.
64 set. Engine start selector.
Normal.
Approach checklist completed.
At this point at the latest I should have noticed that I am flying too high. The aircraft was at 3,000 feet, while at next fix it should be ready for final and 1,000 feet. The mistake was that I relied on the autopilot to reach the 1,000 feet flight level in time. I do not know exactly if it is a program error that is attributed to the A330. Too late. I also saw that the planned left curve to the runway was pulled very tight. The straightening to the runway became extremely short. Just as the plane reached the bend, everything suddenly became confused. I was busy with the landing checklist. At the same time, ATC reported that I had to report to the tower. Also, I heard in this moment the 2,500 feet announcement, and the aircraft began to drop sharply to reach the 1,000 feet flight level with the calling alarming, sink rate. Sink rate, this is initiate the red alarm, because the speed of the plane was rapidly growing in the red zone, because all flaps had already been deployed. Now the plane was supposed to be 500 feet height, in front of the runway, while in fact it was still flying too high and not straight to the runway. This is a perfect example of how quickly an unwanted dangerous situation can develop, which in seconds could also lead to a crash.
Sink rate. Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Auto throttle.
Speed.
Missed approach altitude. Please set missed approach altitude. Easy 123. Contact tower 118.400.
2,500.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate.
Thank you.
1,000.
Easy 123. Contact Xiamen International Tower 118.400.
500. 400.
23 November, roger. Airborne frequency 132.575.
300.
Caution. Taxiway.
200.
Taxiway.
Thank you, Etihad 23 November, and monitor ground
100. 100. 100 above.
Reverse green. Ground spoilers retracted. Landing lights off. Taxi lights on. Radar off. Predictive wind shear off. Flaps retracted. TCOS standby. ATC standby. FD off. ILS off. APU start. Engine anti-ice as required. Brake temperature check.